Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to see all unread messages at one place on Telegram app. As you can see, I got this unread tab. I can get into it to see all the unread messages from all Telegram channels, Telegram groups and Telegram conversations at one place. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram you can create that different tabs and you can customize it in any way that you want to filter your conversation by any category. Let me show you how it works. So first get into settings, and right here you can easily find that chat folders. There you can see all my categories, that is contacts, unread, personal, clients, workers and channels, and you can in any time add new one. So let's create new category. To do that, just hit where it says create a new folder. That's actually a folder, not a category on Telegram, but I think you got the point. So I'm gonna hit add create new folder, and here first you have to set a name for that folder. Let it be and send to, just for example, and on the next step you can add included chats and excluded chats. Let me show you how it works. You can tap at add chats under included chats, and from here you can select any categories from chat types. So for example, I want to see at that category messages from my contacts, from my groups and from my channels, in that way. Then I'm gonna hit on done, and then I can tap on add chats under the excluded chats, and right here if I want to show up just unread messages, I can exclude read messages in that way. I can now hit on done, hit on create, and now I can go back to chats where I can easily find that category where I got 39 I typed in unsent, actually unread. I can enter that category, and there I got all the unread messages, including muted and archived chats. So now I can exclude muted and archived chats. So I can go back to chat folders. Let's rename it to unread. And then I can go into excluded chats, and also here I can check mark muted and archived chats in that simple way. So now I can go into chats, go into unread too, and as you can see, there are no unread messages anymore. So if you want to be able to easily find all your unread messages, you have to place this unread tab at that first position, or maybe at first or at second position, to see it all the time. So in that way you can just hold down at any tab, then pick reorder tabs, and now you can change the order of the tabs. So you can just hold down on some tab and then move it to any position that you want in that simple way. Once you finished with that, just hit on done. So now you will be able to check all your unread messages at that simple way. Just open up unread tab. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.